Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you're good. Guess what day it is? Say it's your birthday. It's my birthday too. We're with a gift exchange from Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter. It's only 2 days until Sabrina's birthday. So let's see what day 15 brings me. I have no idea. It's wrapped weird. Like this shape, wrong. Kind of a wonky stop sign shaped. All right, let's get into it. Her and her tape, I tell you. And it is. No. Oh, it is pot holders. And then, ooh, and a wind chime. It's pot holders that match my glove. Now I have the whole set. Because you know what? I don't think I bought these. Diamond got me the plates. I don't think I bought the pot holders or the cup. I couldn't find the cup. Sabrina found the cup. That's somewhere over here in my craft room. And I didn't grab the pot holders. So thank you so much, Sabrina. And this is a DIY wind chime. I love doing these. I'll probably let Riley do it. As a matter of fact, I gotta find it. Sherry did one I picked up, and I don't know where I put it. I have to put it together, and I hang them in my windows, my little windows. And I love wind chimes. I have wind chimes on the outside of my house. People hear them when I'm live. And then I have these little ones all hanging in the inside of my house. So when the windows open, they go ding, ding, ding. And this one says, "Let it shine with an ice cream cone." And then I put their names on the back of them. So this is cool. Thank you, Sabrina. I love it. I love it. Let's see. Yeah, it says let it chime. Not shine, chime. I think, yeah. Or no, not chime. Man, I can't read, guys. It says let it chill. Let's chill. Got it. Man, I was real off on that one. But this is a little ice cream cone. I get it. Duh. Boinga, boinga, boinga. So thank you so much. That's cool. I like that. This is day 15. 2 days before Sabrina's birthday, guys. And the last gift opening. So, thanks for watching, everybody. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.